Alrighty, American Speed here, and I'm unwrapping this nice uncapping tank from Hillco. 304 stainless steel. It's the 40-inch model. Pretty big, it's pretty heavy. Let's see if we can get it out here. Alright, let's see if that works. Turn it on the side here.
Oh, there you are.
Hey, buddy.
I just made a pair of dangling legs.
Alright, I'm recording, so.
Oh. Sorry, camera. For a YouTube video?
Yeah. Do an unboxing.
Yeah, my
Here,
dad's
can you pull that box that way?
Yeah.
That works.
Yo, can I use this box?
No.
Maybe. It looks so. It's so big, dude. It's big.
Yeah. Alright, get that out of the way.
If I ever had feedback, I could this video.
Alright, so there it is. Pretty nice. Open this up here. So, yeah. Got the leg box here.
Why do you need such packaging for something like that?
Well, because they don't want it to. Hang on. Alright. You take the handle to the lid there. Put that there. I think that's all there. Now, I'm pretty sure this looks like it was caved in. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be like that. You can see that's kind of tilted up there. You give a terrible drain. Kind of unfortunate. Like it fell on there maybe. I'll have to take a rubber mallet and pound that out.
Mallet!
Other than that, the lid looks good. Alright, so I took the rubber mallet and kind of flattened that out. And I'm not sure, but this was banged up there. I almost wonder if this was a cap, because there's supposed to be a honey gate on here. Maybe like a thread protector.
So it's a new honey thing?
Yes, this is an uncapping tank. So, I'm not sure. I don't remember anything on this in the instructions. I don't know what this. But clearly damaged. It's like it fell on its top or something. Fell off of the truck, I don't know. But that's kind of disheartening. Okay, so I just got into the leg box and it had this honey gate here, which might need to screw into these threads. and then do this, but the problem is that this is bent. Yeah, that's threaded there. I don't know. That and it's like sideways. Let's see. Okay, so I just opened up this, and these are the screens that go on the bottom, that's all. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, I'm not sure. This is quite disappointing. This rubber gasket is it's clearly damaged, and then it's not straight, so like it's going to be off. I don't know. You'd think that these would be perpendicular like that. Alrighty, I finished up the unboxing. Got it built, got all that wrappers off. Looks pretty nice. These corners were a little bit bent, kind of misplaced, kind of like this here a little bit. You can see it's a little bowed out. So I just took my pliers and kind of put them back into place. It's fine. This one was probably one of the worst. There, you can see it's kind of, and then it's uneven there. I'm not sure. It's just be a cut flaw because this one is nice looking. So, and then this one here is a little off. Well, that's fine. Seemed like it was more off, but anyways, got the handles on. It's really nice. Those fit in there really snug, which is really nice. Two separate screens there. You got a pretty big reservoir on the bottom. Let me see if I can take this out, and then nice reservoir there. There's plenty of space for the honey to sit and quickly extracted. Again, the only thing, I got this hammered out and then kind of straightened out as much as I can. The honey gate. It would have been nice if, I don't know if you can take this off, but it's pretty dirty. But I had to wash the O-ring because it was really, I mean, it was really black and dirty. I might have to end up washing it again, but it seems like it's going to hold and not let honey out, so hopefully I'll test it with water because that'll be a better test. Oh, there's the information there. Hillco. Overall, it looks really nice. It's pretty sturdy, and it's going to be a nice uncapping tank. Let's grab a frame. I don't have any over there. Hang on. All right. So this piece here is adjustable by these screws. So I'm going to have to fiddle with that in order to get a nice snug fit, but as you can see, this frame here, there is no room on the edges here. I mean, it's pretty snug in there. My only concern is when you get propolis and stuff on there, it would have been nice if they had a, well, towards the middle, it's better. So that's good. But towards here, ooh, it's dragging. Might be able to, some creases in there to keep that out or something. But yeah, I think it'll be fine. You know, as it gets propolis on your edges here, you might end up having to scrape some of that stuff off just to get it to seat in there. So that is slow. Anyways, it's American's B with the Hillco 40-inch frame extracting unit. This is pretty nice looking. Better than a screw, hopefully. Although it might chew up the wood. Let's see. Let me just. There we go. Oh, got more. I almost have to take it all the way out. Let's see what I'm doing here. Just got to take this guy all the way out just to get it in there. It's pretty flush with this mount. There you go. But let's see if I can tighten this up here a little bit. And put it on there. Like so, you put that. I like to kind of put it towards the end like that, give you a nice stable 2-point there and there. And then you uncap one, and then I'll probably have this over here, probably about in the middle between here and there. And then you flip it over. Excuse me. Flip it over, and then do this side, and then you take the frame and you put it in here, and then you let all the excess honey drip off the frame. You do the next one, and then until you get enough to fill your extractor, or more, depending on how fast you can go. So, pretty cool setup. American Speed. Take care.